Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you what to do if your mobile data isn't working correctly on the smartphone. First of all, swipe down the control center on your phone and try toggling mobile data by turning it off and then on again. Alternatively, toggle the airplane mode, or additionally if you want to, and then check if your problem is resolved. If it wasn't, don't worry, go to settings, then check mobile network, select your SIM card, find the access point names, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your screen, select reset to default, and then give your SIM card a moment to reconnect, and then check if your mobile data started working again. If it wasn't, make sure that your SIM card is properly inserted into your smartphone. To do that, check the left edge of your device, grab a pin to open the SIM card slot carefully, push it inside this tiny hole next to your SIM card slot. It will jump right out. Then carefully remove it and make sure, after you remove it, make sure that your SIM card is inserted into your phone like this. You can also change the slot in which your SIM card is inserted, and then reinsert the slot into the port carefully, like this. And then give your device a moment to re-establish the mobile data connection. And if your problem is still not resolved, then you can try to restart your phone. This sometimes, most oftenly, this helps with this kind of issues. To restart your phone, hold the power button and restart and volume up button at the same time, and then swipe the circle to restart option, and then wait until your smartphone is restarted. Once your phone is restarted, give it a moment to start and re-establish the mobile network connection, and then check if your problem is resolved. And now the last step is resetting your network settings, just in case all the previous steps didn't help you. To do that, go to settings, then scroll down to system and update, and go to reset phone, reset network and Bluetooth settings. Once you do that, you will have to repair all of your Bluetooth devices and also reconnect to your Wi-Fi by re-entering the password, just so you know. Once you're ready, tap reset. The settings will be reset immediately, and now just let your device reestablish your mobile network connection once again and see if this resolves your problem. And now if it didn't, in such case you should contact carrier to verify your data plan, and they will most probably tell you what to do in case none of these steps helped you, and will eventually help you out with your problem. Now, I really hope that these troubleshooting steps helped you out, and in case they did, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.